guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a house tour. I got a lot of questions when I posted a photo on Instagram about my house, and people wanted to see it. I live in a little studio. I absolutely love it. It's my little home, but I thought I'd share it with you guys, all the details, everything, show you all the love that went into my little home. So follow me and we'll get started. So this is my bed area. There you go. What we decided to do is at the bottom of my bed, I'm not going to show you because there's a bunch of mess, but my dad built me like it's on its own frame. So it looks like it's a bunk bed, but it's not. It made sense, the fact that I lived in a studio and I didn't have a lot of storage. So attached to my bed is my dresser, and on the other side it's just going to be a bunch of storage, things that, you know, my shoes and stuff that I didn't have room for. So come on this way. I gave my dad the picture of the inspiration on Pinterest, and I said, hey, I seen girls putting their dressers here because I didn't have anywhere else to put my dresser, and I wanted to incorporate it with my bed. So this is my bedding. I obviously don't have pictures on inside my frames yet. I'm barely, like, almost done with my house. I need one more thing and then I think it's officially done. But I got my bedding from Bed Bath & Beyond. My pillows are from Marshalls or Home Goods. Everything in this house had to do with Home Goods or Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and Bed Bath & Beyond. When you come over this way, let me close this curtain or window. When you come over this way, this is going to be my vanity area. It's where I do my makeup. And I just thought it was going to be a perfect place to put this, just because I could have put it somewhere else, and I'm going to show you exactly what's on the other side of this wall. But I just felt like with the lighting and everything here, it was easy for me to take my table out when I'm doing videos. And it just made sense where everything went. I thought about putting it somewhere else, and I didn't like it. So on the cross from my room, you have this little area. Hopefully you might not see my sister in it, but this is a mirror and my little rugs, and I thought this was going to be a great, like, place to take selfies, and just like the angle of it and the lights. We decided to hang twinkly lights. These twinkly lights are from Target, and as you can tell, like, my ceiling is open, there's beams, and we just wanted to incorporate it feeling like home, and not so much as in, like, I don't know the word for it, but we just wanted it to feel like home. And my mom and I kept going back and forth if we should have gotten a kitchen table or a couch. So if you look this way, you'll see that we ended up going with a couch, and we needed something that was really small but not too small. And we got this off of Amazon, and the sofa, the rug, and this little ottoman thingy are from Amazon, but I just felt like it's very comfortable for a two-seater. I don't feel like I have a lot of company over anyways. Two just felt perfect. My sister could agree. There, she's nodding her head. So we decided to do this, and instead of a kitchen table, my mom bought me, I think they're called TV dinner stands, something like that. Okay, they're called TV dinner stands. And I use it to film when I'm doing little projects, or I've honestly used it probably once or twice, and that was to hold my michelada, and that was about it. But I have my closet on this side, and we have like little knickknacks hanging everywhere. We have a sign that says hello. We just wanted to incorporate a lot of love and a lot of, like, warmth and homey vibes. This was in my old home. This was from Home Goods, and honestly, it's a dime piece. I could not get rid of it. I just felt like it was so beautiful. My mom loves it every time she comes in, and I just wanted that look of expensive but yet homey. So we did that. My dad hung my TV. I have, like, little picture frames I'm gonna paint because they don't go quite with my style. But I have my perfume standing. I think I got this from Lamps Plus in Redondo Beach. But it's very, like, chic, shabby chic look feel that I'm going for. But this is my kitchen. It's super small, but that's all I need. It's a one-person kitchen. Like, this is it. I'm touching. But it's honestly perfect. I feel the fact that it's a studio and it has like a full size stove. The refrigerator's not tiny, but it's not big. I don't need a big stove or refrigerator. Something I don't have is a microwave. I just realized that. Dad, microwave. Because that was going to be my first gift. Two more stops. This is my washer and dryer. I put a cortina right there because I didn't want people to see my mess. Or to be able to see the washer and dryer. I feel like every time I show somebody my washer and dryer, they go, holy smokes, you're very lucky to have a washer and dryer. And I completely agree because that's something I was looking for when I was moving out. I said, I need a washer and dryer because I'm not going to be going to the laundromat. I used to wash at my parents' house all the time. And I was like, I just need something. It's something little. And the fact that it's a studio and it has this, plus. My bathroom is my favorite part. So this is my bathroom. The favorite part of my bathroom had to be the countertops. I love that it's marble. It's small, but once again, it's cozy. I feel like if you're a single person, you don't really need a one bedroom. I'm always in my bedroom anyway, so to have a living room made no sense to me. My mom was pushing for that a lot, and I was just like, no, this was it. I was very lucky to find this place, you guys. But anyways, this is my bathroom. Obviously, the same things, toilet, shower, sink. That was it. But that's the end of my house tour, you guys. Look how quick that was because it's a little studio. But honestly, it's not about the size. It's not about where you live, the location of anything. But I just feel like I was very blessed to find this place. I found it on Facebook Market, and I was like, it took us a while to find a place, my mom and I, a month, and it was literally down the street from my parents. So I'm really happy to find this. This is my home. A lot of people always ask me, they want to see, so I finally decided to do a video, and not big, not lavish, but perfect for me. So I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.